Hi and welcome to yet another CMA video. My name is Arek and today I'm going to show you how to remove and refit a dynamo hub wheel on your bike. Okay, let's start. Tools required: 15mm spanner, pair of pliers, pump. Preparation: before turning the bike upside down, make sure that the wheel is easy to remove. If you have rim brakes, you will probably need to release them to allow the tire to move past the pads. Check out my video here if you're not sure how to undo V-brakes. Put rags or cardboard on the floor to prevent damaging the saddle and handlebars. Now turn the bike over. Removing the dynamo hub wheel. Use long nose pliers to detach the light connector from the connection terminal on the dynamo hub. Stand in front of the bike and position the spanner horizontally on the left-hand side of the wheel axle, pointing away from you. Hold the fork with one hand and turn the spanner anti-clockwise with the other to loosen the nut, but leave it in place. Proceed to loosen the second nut on the right side of the wheel using the same anti-clockwise motion. With both nuts loosened, you are now ready to remove the wheel. Hold the rim firmly and lift the wheel clear of the forks in a straight motion. In some cases, if you have a very wide tire, even with the brakes released, it can still be challenging to remove the wheel. In such instances, you may need to deflate the tire before attempting to remove the wheel. Refitting the dynamo hub wheel. When you're putting the front dynamo hub wheel back on, it's important to make sure it's facing the right way. Make sure that the connection terminal on the hub is on the same side as the light connector on the fork. This should be on the drive side. And that it is aligned with the fork. If your bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brake and the rotor on the wheel won't fit between the disc brake pads, you may need to open up the brake by gently pushing one pad against the other using a flathead screwdriver positioned between one pad and the piston. Repeat this process for the other side to create a gap between the pads. Once in place, tighten the wheel nuts gradually until they are securely fastened. If you have a torque wrench, then tighten them to around 25 Newton meters. If you use a spanner, then apply a good amount of pressure to ensure the correct tightness. Look at the light connector. One side is flat and the other has cut edges. Fit the connector onto the terminal so that the flat side of the connector is close to the wheel. If required, inflate the tire. If you're not sure how to do this, you can check out my video here for help with the task. There is also a link to this video in the description below. Turn the bike upright. If required, reattach the brake. Spin the front wheel and check if the front light illuminates. If it doesn't, then check if the connector is properly attached to the terminal. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to let me know how you got on removing and refitting your dynamo hub wheel. If you want to support my channel, then please consider a small donation by clicking on the Super Thanks button below the video. Thanks and see you very soon!